In the ever-evolving world of YouTube, monetization is a crucial milestone for aspiring creators. The process involves meeting specific criteria, including 1,000 subscribers and 4,000 watch hours within the past year. However, many creators find this journey daunting and time-consuming. Quick monetization is significant, as it not only provides financial support, but also boosts motivation and credibility. Imagine achieving this goal in just 48 hours. In this video, we'll unveil a simple yet effective copy and paste method that can help you reach monetization faster than you ever thought possible. Get ready to dive into actionable steps that will transform your channel and set you on the path to success. Let's get started. Step 1. Identify your niche and content strategy. To kickstart your journey to monetization, the first step is identifying your niche and developing a solid content strategy. Begin by researching trending topics that resonate with both your interests and your target audience. This will help you create content that is not only engaging but also relevant. Next, define your target audience by considering their demographics, preferences, and pain points. Understanding who you're creating for allows you to tailor your content effectively. Finally, plan a content calendar to maintain consistency and keep your audience engaged. Regular uploads will help build momentum and attract subscribers, setting the foundation for your monetization goals. With a clear niche and strategy, you're well on your way to success. Step 2. Create high-quality video content. Creating high-quality video content is essential for attracting viewers and achieving monetization. Start by utilizing tools like OBS Studio or Camtasia for recording your videos. These platforms offer user-friendly interfaces and powerful features to enhance your production quality. Next, pay attention to lighting and sound. Good lighting can dramatically improve your video's visual appeal, while clear audio ensures your message is heard. Invest in a decent microphone and use natural light or softbox lights for the best results. Once your footage is captured, edit your videos using software like Adobe Premiere Pro or Final Cut Pro. These editing tools allow you to refine your content, add effects, and create a polished final product that keeps viewers engaged and coming back for more. Step 3. Optimize video titles and descriptions. Optimizing your video titles and descriptions is crucial for enhancing search visibility and attracting viewers. Start by incorporating relevant keywords that align with your content and audience interests. This helps your videos rank higher in search results, making them easier to discover. Next, craft engaging titles that not only include these keywords, but also spark curiosity and encourage clicks. A compelling title can significantly increase your view count. Additionally, write detailed descriptions that summarize your video content, providing viewers with a clear understanding of what to expect. Include timestamps, links, and calls to action to enhance viewer engagement. By optimizing your titles and descriptions effectively, you'll improve your chances of reaching a wider audience and achieving your monetization goals. Step 4. Promote your videos. On social media, promoting your videos on social media is essential for expanding your reach and attracting new viewers. Start by sharing your content on popular platforms like Facebook, Twitter, and Instagram. Tailor your posts to each platform to maximize engagement and encourage shares. Additionally, engage with communities on Reddit or niche forums related to your content. Participating in discussions and sharing your videos can help you connect with potential viewers who share similar interests. Don't forget to utilize relevant hashtags to increase the discoverability of your content. Hashtags can help your videos reach a broader audience and attract viewers who are actively searching for topics you cover. By effectively promoting your videos, you'll drive traffic to your channel and accelerate your path to monetization. Step 5. Apply for YouTube Partner Program. Once you've built your channel and met the necessary criteria, it's time to apply for the YouTube Partner Program. First, ensure you meet the eligibility requirements of having at least 1,000 subscribers and 4,000 watch hours in the past 12 months. This is a crucial step in gaining access to monetization features. Next, complete the application process through your YouTube dashboard, where you'll provide the required information and agree to the terms. After submitting your application, be patient as YouTube reviews your channel. Additionally, stay updated on YouTube policies to avoid any violations that could jeopardize your application. By following these steps diligently, you'll be well on your way to monetizing your content and reaping the rewards of your hard work. Step 6. Monitor analytics and adjust strategies. Monitoring your analytics is vital for understanding your channel's performance and optimizing your content strategy. Use YouTube Analytics to track key performance metrics such as views, watch time, and audience retention. This data provides valuable insights into which videos resonate most with your audience. By identifying your top-performing content, you can focus on creating similar videos that cater to viewer preferences. Additionally, pay attention to viewer feedback in comments and social media to gauge their interests and suggestions. Trends can shift quickly, so staying adaptable is crucial. Regularly adjusting your content strategy based on analytics and audience feedback will help you maintain engagement and grow your channel effectively. This proactive approach ensures you stay relevant and continue on the path to monetization. Conclusion. Key points. Recap. In this video, we explored the essential steps to achieve monetization on YouTube in just 48 hours. We emphasized the importance of selecting a niche that aligns with your interests and creating high-quality content that captivates your audience. By optimizing your video titles and descriptions, promoting your content on social media, and applying for the YouTube Partner Program, you set a solid foundation for success. Remember to monitor your analytics and adjust your strategies based on viewer feedback to keep your channel thriving. Now it's time to take action and implement these steps. If you found this video helpful, please subscribe, like, and share it with others who are eager to grow their YouTube channels. Your support helps us create more valuable content,